It's Heidi Gammill with Nest Pretty. Welcome to Walking in Circles. This is all about reaching your goals, one step at a time. And I'm just going to share a little bit of encouragement for you. If you are living in a season of busy, and I can't help it, I love to look in people's garbage. It's a pretty little mirror there. If it was painted white, oh my God. Stop. Good point. Okay, so in a season of busy, for me, I just simplify everything. If it is within my control, simplify. Simplify. So I'm sure if you are anything like me, you are in a season of busy. Every day is busy and there's a lot going on. And that, for me, is stacked on top of a season of transition. Whenever we have a time change, it is a season of transition for me. It is not easy. I take my time to transition because it just doesn't happen. So when I'm in these seasons of transition and busy, then it's just simplify if it's within your control. So, you think back to any time that you may have been in an emergency situation, and in those situations, you're just like food, water, sleep, shower. That's it. That's all you have to worry about. Food, water, sleep, shower. And it's okay because you're in a season, you're in a moment. Maybe you are in emergency. And in those situations, it's okay. Just the bare minimum, simplify. So if you're in a long season of busy, what can you simplify? And just maybe sit with it for a few minutes. Can you simplify your menu? Can you simplify your wardrobe? Can you simplify your makeup routine? What can you simplify just to take a little bit of pressure off? If it's within your control, which all those things are in your control. And it just takes a little bit of the pressure so that you can actually, because you do want to enjoy your seasons, whatever they are. If it's a season of transition, a season of busy, you still want to enjoy your life. This is your life. So instead of feeling overwhelmed, which we don't do overwhelm, we already said that, I don't do it. Instead of feeling maybe behind, instead of spinning, or maybe even complaining about your season, whatever your season is, you can choose to enjoy the season and do what you can, whatever's in your control, to enjoy it. So, this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I hope this encourages you just a little bit. I hope it just reminds you that, hey, sometimes we can just simplify to amplify. If it means enjoying your season, then what can you do? Those are the things. I hope this helps you in some way. So, my name is Heidi Gammill. I've written a book. It's called The Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. And in the book, I talk about strategies like this that can help you just to enjoy your life. Make small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life, irregardless of the season you're in, the transition, the emergency, whatever. Also, I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves through life coaching and closet organization. So if you want to learn more or you want to have a conversation, just send me a message. We can talk. I hope you have a fantastic day. I'm going to try my best, even though it's a little cloudy here in Florida. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, have a great day. Bye.